Reshoevn8r cleaner versus Angelus cleaner, which one is best? I'm gonna be cleaning canvas shoes. Now these are Sperry canvas shoes. Normally with canvas shoes, I say throw them in the washer. However, these are leather laces, so you do not want to get them wet. They're also way too complicated to try to untie these shoelaces. I'm using Angelus cleaner first. Biggest thing, you wanna use a stiff brush for that sole. This is a weeding tool you can get pretty much anywhere. With the sole, I always like to clean that first. I don't know if you have to. And then I used a medium brush, the medium option. I would probably use the soft brush in hindsight because it did leave a little bit of a bleaching. Now you can see huge difference here, but that's because I didn't clean the other shoe. This is the downside. Look at this. It is actually bleached a little bit. I'm not happy about that. Maybe it was user error. Maybe it was the brushes. I don't know. It could have been me. It could have been the cleaner. Who knows? I'd love to hear from you guys. What do you think? Did I jack it up? This is me attempting just to clean the soles without any type of cleaner at all, and it was a big fail. Now I'm using the Reshoevn8r cleaner, so you definitely need some type of cleaner. Maybe soap and water could possibly work, but these are leather laces, so I'd be really careful with that. Stiff brush to clean the soles, and then wipe with a microfiber towel. Please make sure that it is a clean microfiber towel, otherwise you're just pushing the dirt around. I use a medium brush for the upper, but in hindsight, I really should have used the soft brush. Recap, stiff brush on the sole of the shoe. I always do it dry first on the sole, and then I go ahead and then use the cleaner. Then after that, you can use the soft brush or a medium brush on the canvas. Overall, these shoes look a ton better, but this is canvas, so I wonder what would happen if I would try the same exact experiment on leather, because this bleached it. On leather shoes, I don't think I'd have the same issue, so this is Reshoevn8r, not as bad. Angelus is on the top. It's so much worse. I have no idea what I did wrong. I would love to hear from you guys. What did I wrong? And should I try this again, but with leather shoes?